Hey, thank you guys for joining me in this really informative video about what I like the Formuler Gtv device. And I wanted to go right to Formuler.tv. This is the manufacturer. As you can see, there's a lot of different Formuler devices. That doesn't even count all of them, but you see the very bottom, here's the Gtv. Now, I have shown videos on the Z11 Pro Max, the Z11 Pro, the Z10, but this is by far my favorite device. And I'm going to go over a couple of features of it really quick because I like their website better than I could show. They do a really great job, very clean. Formula's a very, very clean website, and they do things in a very clean way. Just I can't find the word, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is what the box looks like. It's matte black, it's flat. It kind of looks just like, if you look at it, it looks just like the On 4K. I mean, kind of like the new thing of the On 4K device that took the internet by storm. But this has been around. I've owned the same Formuler Gtv for 4 years. I haven't had to change it. I haven't had to move it or upgrade to any other box. I talk about other devices, but this is the one that I use. It is one of the only devices in Formuler that is running Android 12. The other ones that are running Android 12 are the Z11 Pro, Pro Max, and maybe the Mini. They are running the 12. It gave us an Android upgrade. So you got My TV Online 2, still a cutting edge player for your IPTV needs. This is big for me, the match content frame rate. You usually have to set that, but it's automated in the Gtv. It does have the 4K, the HDR 10 plus, high performance, premium network, meaning you have a gigabit of internet. You can, if you have the high speed internet, this will be able to handle it. It does offer Dolby Atmos, all the premium sound, and it's one of the ones that does come with the Bluetooth remote. The only other device from this manufacturer that comes with the Bluetooth remote is the Z Mini. And so as I go down here, you can see that every device is powered by Android TV, especially the Formuler Gtv, which is a Google television. So it has the Android TV platform, and the Android TV platform makes any device look great, especially the On device and the cheaper devices. The only reason they look really great is because all of them are running the Android TV platform. But the Gtv was really one of the founding ones to do it several years ago. So you have that view of everything in front of you, which I'll show you later on in the video, which I prefer. I prefer all of everything in front of me so I can make really great decisions. As it goes down, you'll see it does have Google Assistant, just like all the other devices do. All of them use the Google Assistant because Google or Android TV is almost on every device. All right, and it makes it better. One of the best things I like about it is Chromecast. The Chromecast is definitely built in, so you can cast things from your phone through your box to your TV and all that. And you get access, which it really shows a really great thing. You can get access to the free fast channels, whether it be Pluto, Tubi, Crackle, all those. And also you get all the top apps from the Google Play Store, which is awesome. The last thing is the decoding. This has premium decoding. So if you watch a lot of on demand, it decodes everything at a high level. Whether you're using a external speaker, whatever surround sound, it will work and great. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box. As you can see, we got the Bluetooth remote. There are some of the screens there. It does come with this Bluetooth remote where you can say, hey Google, and it also helps with the TV. So the design is very, very clean and futuristic. So I'm going to go on down here, and there's the connectivity. So you got the gigabit of LAN, the HDMI, the IR receiver there. You can plug that in, and then you got your power strip. You got USB 3.0 on this side and 2.0 on that side. So you have a lot of ways to connect different things. And here's what comes in the box. I mean, these are the things that come in the box. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to go from here over to my GTV, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I love the GTV more than any other device, because it suits my needs. I'm going to give you 5 main reasons why you need to look into the GTV from Formuler. So let's take a look.